there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. So first let's get started with our eyes. So on the top we're going to curve this line around and through towards the middle. We're going to step over on the right hand side, replicating that, curving that around, and then back down. Underneath we're going to arch this line around, bring that back up on the side. Moving over now towards the inside, we're going to draw in a nice big circle for that small highlight there. And then we're just going to color in the pupil black. Now let's draw on the nose. So right in the center here, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's draw on the mouth. Again, just drawing in another curved line from left to right, extending that further down. And then underneath, we're going to curve this around and then back up on the right. Let's draw on the shape of the head now. So right in the center, we're going to curve this line over and down on the left. We're going to do the same thing as we start in the middle, replicating that on the right. Now on the side, let's flatten out the side of the head, curving this down and in. And then now let's close this off underneath with another curved line from left to right. We're going to draw in some of the details on the face, so we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right directly on the top. And then we're just going to draw in some X's as we come over on the right. We're going to curve this line down and in on the left. And then again, just drawing in some more X's. We're going to bring this line through underneath on the bottom right, drawing in 2 more X's. And then as we come through on the top, we're just going to curve this line up and over on the side, and we'll do the same on the left. Now we're going to draw in the ears. So we're going to draw in a half circle on the left-hand side. We're going to do the same on the right. And then again, we're just going to draw in 2 X's as we come down for the ears that are attached. And now let's draw in the hair. So as we come up right in the center here, we're going to curve this line out and then back in. From that point, we're going to bring this line down and up. And then again, we're just going to curve this line in towards the middle. From that point again, we're going to curve this line out, down and over, bringing that back in. Let's step through, curving this down, across, back in towards this middle. Let's follow this as we come down, curving this over and in. And we're just going to keep doing that, curving that out and back in as we come down towards the ear. And then as we move underneath the ear, we're going to curve this line out, back through. We're going to curve this line over and up. And then again from that point, curving this out and back in. And then from that point again, curving this over and through towards the cheek. Now let's move up. We're going to curve this line up and back through. Again, curving this line out and then down on the side. From the top here, we're going to curve this line up, over and through, bringing that back in. Now from here, we're going to bring this line out and across. And then from that point, we're going to bring this back up. Stepping underneath, we're going to curve this line out and in on the side. Now from here, curving this down, across, back in. From that point now, we're going to curve this line over and through. And out, back in. We're going to replicate that as we come down 2 more times. Now let's step down. We're going to curve this line over and through. replicating that as we move across and then down one more time. And then we're going to bring this line in towards the body and then back up towards the face. Now let's come down and draw in the body. So on the left-hand side for the arm, we're going to curve this around and down. We're going to replicate that on the right. Now from here in the center, we're just going to draw in the letter V, and then we're going to draw on the collar. So we're going to curve this line down on both sides. And then from that point, we're going to arch this around and in towards the chin. Let's draw on the tie underneath. We're going to draw in a small square. On both sides of this, we're going to draw a diagonal line that comes out, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to join that together in the middle with 2 more diagonal lines. We're going to draw on the stripe pattern up above now, so we're going to draw in more diagonal lines as we come through, just leaving an even amount of space. Now let's come across. We're going to draw in a square on the left-hand side. And we're going to do the same as we move over on the right. Again, let's move in towards the middle. We're going to draw in another square. Let's draw on the overall. So we're going to draw in the straps here, 2 lines coming up. Underneath again here, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines coming in on both sides. Now on the left, we're going to curve this line down towards the bottom. We're going to do the same thing on the right, and we're going to end that at the same height. We're going to close this off underneath with a curved line from left to right. And then stepping up in the middle, again, just drawing in another curved line from left to right. We're going to draw in the pocket and the center here, so we're going to draw in a straight line that comes across on both sides, bringing that down and then back in on the bottom. And then we're just going to do the same on the right. Now let's draw in some of the blood splatter. So coming down on the bottom right, we're going to bring this line around, up and across, being a little bit wavy. Again, let's move through, bringing this around and down in the corner. Now let's come up on a diagonal. We're going to draw in a small little blot of blood. Let's draw in some circles. We're going to draw in 3 as we come down on a diagonal. And then we're going to move underneath, drawing in another one in the corner. And then we're just going to do 1 on the top right. Let's close off the arms now. So we're just going to curve this line in on both sides. And then we're going to move up, replicating that as we come in towards the middle. Now for the arm here, we're going to bring this line out on diagonal. For the thumb, we're going to curve this line around and up. For the first finger, curving this around and in. And then stepping over again, curving this over and back up. Let's draw on the hand now. So we're going to curve this around for the thumb. We're going to draw on the handle for the chainsaw. So we're going to bring this line down, up, and then back in. Now for the fingers, we're going to curve this line in twice. And then 1 more time, just curving this around and then back in towards the top. Now let's draw on the chainsaw. We're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the top. We're going to bring this line coming down on the bottom. Let's bring this line out on the left, ending that at the same height. And then we'll close that off on the bottom with another straight line. Coming in through the back, we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines coming out, ending those at the same height. And then again from here, just closing that off, bringing that up. Let's bring this line through towards the handle. We're going to close that off on the top, bringing that in towards the hand. Now let's draw in a small diagonal line on the right, and then we're going to draw in 3 lines that come across on the left. Now on the top here, we're going to curve this around and back down, and then stepping in. Let's replicate that again, bringing that through. And now we're just going to draw some triangles as we come around the edge here for the chainsaw. Lastly, let's just close off the legs. We're going to move in towards the middle, drawing a diagonal line that comes out on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then we're going to step over, bringing this line straight down, again, ending that at the same height. We're going to curve this line in on the bottom on both sides. And then we're going to move up, replicating that again. For the feet, we're going to bring this line down, around, back in. And then moving up for the sole of the shoe, we're just going to curve this line back across. Let's add in some of our final details. So on the arm, we're just going to curve this line out on both sides. Coming underneath on the apron, we're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to do that 2 more times on the right. And that is it. That's how you draw Leatherface from Texas Chainsaw Massacre. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.